Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Beautiful weather is really steaming these days. Today we had like 80 degrees, but there's one thing I gotta be grateful for. Everything is looking healthy. This is lima beans growing up here, guys, and as you can see up in there, we already see they start pushing blossom. This is a squash we have here. Ain't push out no female as yet. Right up inside there we have collards, we have pepper growing up inside there. Looking healthy so far. But so far we're seeing progress. This is our corn. Start producing. This is another corn here. And this is where it is down here, guys. So yes, looking good, guys. We have a pepper growing in this container here. So let's go over the other side and let's see. Okay, we have, these are lemon that we're growing from seed. This is a sweet lemon growing from seed. Yes, over here now, guys, this is where we have turmeric, ginger. Yes, so like for instance, I take after the young male and force the plant to produce female. I did this and I see it start walking over that side. So we have another squash right here. Down inside here, we have turmeric. We have a good bit of turmeric growing up in here. We also have squash growing up. We have pepper. We have corn growing up in this area. This is another zucchini right here, and this zucchini is getting ready to start push out flowers. I'm just looking at it right now. I put this post close to it that when it starts growing I can tie it and brace it up. So we have a lot of small turmeric going on here, guys. Turmeric, ginger, rosemary, okra. We have peppers also growing inside here. So this is just a small area, guys, but in a few weeks you're gonna see how much plants we have inside here. It's a lot of plants, guys. A lot of plants. We have a plant over here that I'm gonna show you guys. We call it leaf of life. This is it here. But this plant is a very serious plant, the leaf of life. If you put the leaf of this plant in the soil, what starts happening? The plants naturally start generating roots and new plants. This is serious, man. But guys, look at this at the end of the day. All this is clay soil and it's looking wonderful. I'm busy because I have another garden, so I'm getting ready to start cleaning up the containers, cleaning up the area and make it look beautiful, guys. So I just want to say, guys, thank you all. But let me show you this plant over here and how it operates. Don't go nowhere. Alright, this is a papaya tree right here. Look, it's growing really nice. No, this is the leaf of life. And if you notice really well, I take these leaf off. This is amazing. This plant, everybody should try to get one of these plants. I'm telling you, the reason why I'm saying this is because of the way these plants easy to grow. It have to be something about this plant. There's have to be something about this plant. Now let me show you. All I did, I put the leaf down into the soil, and if you notice, you see what? Look what's going on here. The plant is growing everywhere, even down to the bottom down there. Check this one right here, even there. So it generating root from the leaf. You plant the leaf, and a lot of plants is like that, but this is one, the easiest one I ever saw. Leaf of life. Check it out, guys. I also want to show you guys about this pepper plant that I'm actually growing in container. Now, this plant have on a lot of pepper right here. It have on like about 8 peppers. And then up to the top here is loaded with flowers. Now, I'm gonna do a video about this pepper plant and explain to you guys how it's important to know how to balance the soil on your peppers and how to take care of your pepper plant. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.